Now we will see one of the problem for NLPP. NLPP is nothing but non-linear programming problem. Here the problem is given as a positive quantity B is divided into n parts in such a way that product of n parts is to be maximum, and we have to solve this using Lagrange's multiplier technique. Here Lagrange's multiplier technique means if suppose we are having a non-linear problem, maximize or minimize z equal to f of x, and if suppose we are having g of x is less than or equal to bi or greater than or equal to if we are having and all x are greater than or equal to 0, it is one of the non-linear programming problem. Now here to solve this we can express h equal to g of x minus bi, and we define Lagrange's multiplier as Lx lambda, which is written as f of x minus lambda into h. And here to solve this what we do is we will perform dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou lambda equal to 0 to find the values of x. So this is the method to solve a non-linear programming problem using Lagrangian multiplier. Now we will see in the problem it is asked that if there is a value b divided into n parts, and what is given, if the product is maximum, then we have to solve it. Here suppose b is a value, it is divided into n parts, let those values will be x1, x2, so on, xn. Now we have to maximize their product, means maximize y equal to say x1, x2, so on, xn. This will become objective function. Constraint will be the total number of these parts must be equal to b and all are positive values. Now it will become a non-linear programming problem with equality constraint. Then we will define a Lagrangian function L as L of x comma lambda, means x1, x2, so on, xn, comma lambda equal to, we are having f of x minus lambda into h. So it is f of x, x1, x2, so on, xn. H means either take b this side or all this that side, b minus of this much. Now we differentiate this with respect to x1, we get x2 into x3, so on, xn minus, only this is 1, so 0 minus 1 equal to 0. Similarly, if we differentiate with respect to xn also same will be there, only nth term will be 1, remaining will be 0 in the sum. And we differentiate with respect to lambda, first term will be 0 as there is no lambda term, minus lambda derivative with respect to lambda is 1 and this term is as it is. So here we are having totally n plus 1 equations. So we will multiply first n equations by x1, x2, x3, so on. First equation by x1, second by x2, so on. Adding them and making use in the last equation we get. So when we multiply by first equation by x1, it will be x1 into x3, so on, xn. Second is also x1 into x3 into so on, xn. Last is also same thing. If we add, it will be n times plus taking lambda common, we get lambda 1 plus lambda 2, so on, plus lambda n. Here minus minus it will be plus. That's why this is equal to 0. And we are having from equation 4 x1 plus x2, so on, plus xn equal to b, or from the constraint we can say it is equal to b, means this is b, so lambda will be minus n into x1 into xn, so on, divided by b. Now substitute the value of lambda in the first equation. What happens? Here lambda value is n into x1, x2, so on, xn by b. Take x2, x3, so on, xn common, we get 1 minus n x1 by b equal to 0. So 1 minus n x1 by b equal to 0 implies 1 equal to n x1 by b or x1 equal to b by n. Similarly, we get x2 equal to b by n, xn equal to b by n. We have obtained all the values of the variable, therefore function, objective function is b by n whole power n. So this is the solution for NLPP using Lagrangian multiplier. Now next problem is find the dimension of rectangular parallelepiped with the largest volume whose sides are parallel to coordinate planes to be inscribed in the ellipsoid given as x square by a square plus y square by b square plus x square by c square minus 1 equal to 0. Now here it is given that we have to find the dimensions such that volume should be maximum. So let the dimensions may be x, y, z. Then volume will be x into y into z. This will be treated as the objective function, means maximize v subject to constraint g, and the x, y, z are positive values. Now we have to form a Lagrangian function. It is also a non-linear programming problem. We have to simplify this using Lagrangian function. Let L be the Lagrangian function defined as L of x, y, z, lambda equal to objective function minus lambda into constraint. Here we will differentiate this with respect to x, y, z. We will come across these equations. Yz minus 2 lambda x by a square equal to 0. Xz minus 2 lambda y by b square equal to 0. Xy minus 2 lambda z by c square equal to 0. And differentiating with respect to lambda, we get x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1 equal to 0. Now if we consider this as system of equation 4, so first three equations if we multiply by with x, y, z respectively and add, we get x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z, 3 times of x, y, z. All are having minus 2, so minus 2 common. First will be x square by a square plus y square by b square, z square by c square. This is 1. Therefore 2 lambda into 1. Hence lambda value is 3v by 2. We substitute this in equation 1, in equation 2, in equation 3. If we substitute in equation 1, what we get? Yz minus 2 into xy, 3xyz by 2. Here 2 by a square into this much we get equal to 0. 2 cancel. Yz common, 1 minus 3 by a square into x square. Here x is also there. So x square equal to 0. Yz is not 0, so 1 minus 3x square by a square 0 implies 1 equal to 3x square by a square, or x square equal to a square by 3, or x equal to a by root 3. So this is the value of x. Similarly we get value of y, value of z, by which the given objective function volume will be maximized. This completes the non-linear programming problem.